Ever heard of popularity, that thing everybody wants their project to be? Well, I'm gonna teach you how to not go outside and be popular in Scratch. First off, we have advertising. Even though it's against the policy of Scratch, if they allow it inside the description, or they say you're allowed to, or if they don't say anything, then you're fine to advertise. If they say not to, then you don't advertise. So here I have this blank project, and I have a link copy and paste for it. So say I went to this project and I checked. It doesn't say if advertising allowed or not, so we're just going to assume that's allowed. We can type in our project right here. That's for number 1. For number 2, we have tag. For instance, you can tag your project, say tag popular at viral. You can tag your project and this will essentially get more views for you. That was it for number 2. Number 2 is better styling, effects, and animations overall. Now, I don't have a tutorial for this, but I recommend going view Donut Axe for his styling tutorials. But basically, something like this. That's styling. And you can add other things to make your game better. Try to clean up your code really well and try to listen to all the tips I gave you. That was it for number 3. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.